Traveling to Sorsogon soon? Pues para sa iyo ang video na ito. Yung mga kanus, alam niyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa Sorsogon City para mag-staycation sa Syama Hotel. Sobrang peaceful, laid-back vibes at nature-friendly dito. Kaya naman kahit sa anggulo ay Instagrammable with its coconut trees and napakarami ding humuhuning ibon. Idagdag mo pa itong modern forest pool nila na ang lakas ng dating ng giant duyan sa harap na perfect for your next shot. They have this restaurant serving Filipino dishes with their twist na masasabi ko na masarap mapala a la carte or breakfast meals nila. They have this open lunch area na you can rest or work dahil meron silang mabilis na wifi kaya you can feel at home. Itong events hall naman ang perfect for big groups looking for a venue for their event. For their rooms, they have this bunk bedroom, deluxe king size bedroom, deluxe triple sharing room, superior king size bedroom, superior 2 single bedroom, and the AA suite. Lahat ng room na yan ay air condition, may sariling comfort room, cabinet, side table, and either merong balcony or veranda. You can book for as low as 2,000 pesos per night per person. Plus, may complimentary breakfast pa nga na masarap. O diba? If you want to know more details, you can message their Facebook page or visit their website. Let's go!